for visiting my channel again. So I just changed my wax for my toilet because I having problem for a leaks here all the way there. So I just use the tools that around my house. This one is the soapy water cutter to make the Colcan gun cut in angle, and just use credit card cut 90 degrees so that you have some good angle there. Try to make it visible. So just swipe it like this after you put that Colcan or sealant that you need to use. So I just buy the one is mine. It's the DAP Quick Seal. You can use this one for kitchen, bath, and any plumbing purposes. If you want to make it seal, this one is a waterproof, and I use my newborn drip-free ratchet. So for a gun sealant thing to, so this one's ready to go. I just put in down so that it's not dripping, because if you put this one like this, it's gonna be drip. So like that to shut it up. So now just do it and try to put here. I just want to make it all the way inside there, and you can see, so that it sit here and it holds the toilet when you use it. So try to put it there inside. So in order to have a nice clean, just put everything this on the side. So you don't need to buy the one that some people suggest, buy this rubber. I'm just using this credit card, and I cut it straight or 90 degrees so that we can do like this. So I just said you earlier, and let's start putting it aside, and let's continue it. So put some line there so that you have some guide, so that when you put there, you know where's the berry tip and where's the angle that you need to use. So you see, I put some mark there. So let's continue. Let's do it. So make sure it goes all the way right there in the bottom, so that it holds the toilet. It's not moving around. So I try to put all the way inside, make it clean. So if there's a little bit there, you can just come back. So I make sure it gets all the way inside. So just another passes there. Squeeze it good. So you need to be generous for squeezing, so that it cover good all the tight spaces there. And just repeat the other side. After that, use the credit card I show you. If you can see, I already have a very clean passes there. And now use this improvised credit card that I cut in 90 degrees, and just rub it like this, little by little. Don't make it quick. Just take your time so that we have a very good invisible sealant there. And wipe it, and just continue and wipe it again. Then spray it. Supposed to be sprayed first so that it's not hard to pass this credit card, to make a good balance and smooth. I don't see any crack in there now because of that soapy water, so it helps. And right away you need to use any paper to clean it, so you have a perfect clean spot there. And just repeat the process in the other side. So just follow the one I do. You can see I have a very clean sealant there. Now I give you a close-up look for a finish product that I do. So sealant, it's ready intact there, and I pour it all the way inside, and there's a little bit excess there, but I leave that because of so that they have a good seal there, the other side too. But everything is sealed now, and it's pretty clean. Just there, just straight 90 degrees. So that's the one I plan to do. And hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Just a simple how you put by yourself, by do it yourself, by tools around your house, so you don't need to buy nothing. The only I buy is the sealant, the DAP brand, but the result is very good. I like it. Hopefully for the next day or so, no more leaking. But so far I flush it, there's no leak, everything is dry for now. This is the part that I always have heard some leak. I see some leak there, but other than that, everything is, I think, is fixed. See you. Bye bye. Thanks. I'm out. Bye.